Ravi, thank you to Asia Pacific Water Forum that you supported sub-region sessions. And I would like to be very brief about session which we conducted yesterday. So it was a session conducted by Executive Committee of International Fund for RLC Saving and Global Water Partnership Central Asia and Caucasus. And main goal was just to attract international attention to the RLC crisis and what is happening around RLC now. You know, I think you heard a lot about RLC crisis. I don't want to repeat again, just some slides to demonstrate what is the situation around this area. And governments of Central Asian countries adopted a number of programs addressing to solution of problems around RLC. And in 2010 it was adopted program number 3, which now on the way. And in 2010 UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon visited our region, and he underlined that RLC crisis could not be solved only by region itself and countries in the region, and this is a global crisis which we should solve all together to avoid similar problems in other parts of the globe. And yesterday we exactly discussed this program which on the way and how we can proceed, and we underlined some future directions. One of them is strengthening of cooperation within our regional countries and regional cooperation. Second, we should ensure implementation of RLC program as it was agreed by head of states. And for solution of the RLC problems, we of course need external support, and international cooperation is very important. And yesterday during the session we exactly discussed how we can cooperate all together. And final conclusions that RLC problem is a larger human-made catastrophe with far-reaching social, economic and environmental consequences. And since the collapse of Soviet Union, countries of the region and international partners conducted certain measures to overcome those negative impacts. And today we are very happy that some activities led by International Fund for RLC Saving, supported by all international agencies and many donors. And again, thank you for interest to our problems and support our efforts, and let's go further together. Thank you very much.